Hi guys, I thought I'd show you what I've got FPV wise. I thought I'd come out here on this wonderful night because, well, the sky is pretty damn clear tonight, no wind, brilliant. So that's a selection of everything. Got the Bixler there, fantastic little plane. Don't mind flying planes, but do have a few quads. That's just two of them. I've only got three in total. First time flying that little 3-inch tonight, this one here. And I have got to admit, I am impressed with how easy this flies. Flies so smooth and everything about it. So yeah, I really like this. It's I can't remember what the frame it is. It's a Gep RC 3-inch frame. It's got a 20x20 Mamba stack, a Champ 20x20 VTX, and a Run Cam 3. My Nano, I think it is, with the 20x20 board. As you can see, it just and so fits in there, so I'm quite impressed with it myself. It's just, yeah, got about 5 minutes of flight time, no problems with that. I'm actually quite impressed with it. And I've got my nice lovely 5-inch here. Now this was a second-hand frame. It's a Superfly flip mode that I bought off a guy called Stevie. And this is my go-to quad that I attached my DJI Osmo Action into the front there. And yeah, that's a really good, sturdy, cinematic drone that I've got. The other drone that I've got at home, it's it's an Apex build. I bought that second hand thinking it'd be ready to go, but I've had that much problems with it, I've sort of lost hope. I'm slowly getting there, I've nearly fixed it. Obviously, lighter weight quad than that Superfly, because I don't have a HD cam on it. And yeah, and obviously currently still rocking 2 transmitters. Got my Tarnis QX7 there, which I use for my drones, with the R9 module in the back. It's a people say they're crap, but I've not had any problems whatsoever with it. And I've just got this little Fly Sky receiver at the moment, transmitter, to use for my plane. Now I'm looking at getting a different plane, one that has a flight control board on it, so it means I've got a spare R9 receiver suitable for flight controllers, and unfortunately that doesn't have one, so I can't use it. But yeah, it's been a great flying tonight, and here's some of the footage. after reviewing the footage myself, I've realised the camera's not quite in focus on the Bixler, but yeah, it's a nice little flying plane, nice and stable. Video footage from my DVR is off that little 3-inch. Yeah, really impressed with that thing. If you do like my channel, please like, subscribe and comment. That'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you. I'll see you next time.